Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Got a special unboxing. As you can see here, it is Valentine season. Boston Scally has released their yearly seasonal Valentine surprise. And yeah, so I got it here. I can't remember the name. Oh, Box of Chocolates is his name. And before we go into this review, you know, I'm trying to match well now. I actually got a pair of sunglasses to wear to match the whole outfit here is with the box of chocolates I got in. Can't really see well with those on in the lights. But there's a gentleman that's on YouTube, on Facebook, all the social media is called Dan the Matching Man. And that guy always matches to a T. And I'm sure he's probably got this cap as well, the box of chocolates. So I'm going to let him critique my style and my fashion. And maybe if he likes my review of the cap, if he likes something I don't like, or if he likes something that I don't like, or I don't know if I said that twice in a row. So basically, if I like something, he might not like it, or he might like it, and I might not like something. And I'm just curious. So Dan, I am calling you out here to critique my video and see how my fashion sense are, because I'm pretty sure they're not up to par with yours. In fact, I know for a fact. Because that would be debunked by Ripley's Believe It or Not. Yeah, because that would be the one, or what was the other game where you had two truths and a lie? It would be the lie. But yeah. So let's go ahead and start getting this on here. And first of all, thanks everybody for watching. Boston Scally, I like the way the cap. I love pink. So I actually designed a cap as well. I'm hoping that a hat company will reach out to me because I think it would do pretty well either on a Valentine's Day theme or a breast cancer theme. I'll put a little picture on here as well. But yeah, so this is the box of chocolates. I'm getting sidetracked. I know I do that a lot. And let's go ahead and get it up here. And got the box of chocolates pin. Let's go ahead and show you what that bad boy looks like. Says box of chocolates. Pretty simple as that, right? Box of chocolates. Come with a pretty cool dust bag as well. Look at that. Life is like a box of chocolates. And, you know, a funny thing is like Dub's Hat Hub did a review on this yesterday. And, or 2 days ago. I don't remember what it was. And he put a comment in his description. He said, if you hate the cap and you still want a box of chocolates, here you go. And he put a link to Amazon for a box of chocolates. I just found that pretty funny. But yeah, so that is the dust bag. We got the pin. And then we got this beautiful cap here. Let's go and take this cardboard out. Look at that. Pinks are amazing. It's got like a burgundy tint. We got like a brown herringbone. We got more pinks and other colors. But yeah, all that patchwork. And Dub had said something about how all their patchwork are the same. They are. Other than the scarecrow, they are pretty much the same cap, just different patchwork. But you got the inside here. I did get an extra large on this. This is the silk screen. It's not the one that sticks to your noggin. So I'm just curious if Dan has that issue or not with his caps. Oh, I'm not trying this on yet. But yeah, but yeah, it's a beautiful looking cap. I'm impressed with it. Like I said, that interior there is magnificent. And I haven't had a box of chocolates in a long time since I'm on my weight loss thing. But it says, made to share since 2013, box of chocolates, Boston Scally Company, patchwork, and milk and dark chocolates. I had to really get my fine-tuning specs on that one. Here we go. Good thing I ate carrots as a kid. All right, so we're going to go and pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up of all these three things, and then I'm going to go over the things I like. I'll be right back. Oh, I can't say that anymore. Let's go show the close-up. All right, so here's the two together. I put the pin on the cap. As you can see there, box of chocolates. And this is obviously more towards, I would imagine they made this more towards Forrest Gump, Savannah, Georgia. If you ever been to Savannah, Georgia, it's amazing. They actually have the bench that he was sitting in. I think it's Forsyth Park, I believe it's called. They actually still have the bench there. But yeah, it's a pretty cool area. A lot of history. If you've ever been to Savannah, Georgia, I'm sure you can attest to that. I'm a huge history guy myself. Yeah, so even with the cemeteries, the Garden of Good and Evil, I think, I can't remember the name, but that one had, what's the guy's name from, held the radio up? I can't think, John, I can't remember his name. But yeah, here's the two in the box of chocolates. All right, let's go ahead and try it on so Dan can critique my styles. Right, Dan, the matching man? Let's see who can wear it better, I guess. All right, so we're here. Let's take off this Harris Tweed. This is the Glen Appen cap. Did a review on this awesome cap. And here it is. And I'm just curious, Dan, do you really care about these colors here? I'm really digging them. I'm a huge guy, like I said, of pink. Let's go ahead and try it on here now. Yeah, good thing I got an extra large. And there it is. There she blows. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Bet she didn't know he was going to have a son and get her pregnant. Yeah, and she'd probably, what they say, then she dies. Everybody thinks she had AIDS. I wonder why. I mean, with the drugs and all the other things she was doing. But yeah, that is it here. Dan, the matching man. You need to critique me. Oh, I almost forgot the sunglasses. Now, am I up to your specs or not? I mean, you literally have a pair of glasses, or at least the covers for your glasses, your matching outfits, especially the dragons and everything else. Very impressive. And I can imagine what your closet looks like. You got to have 500 different shirts. Kind of like I got Dixon flannels. But yeah, so this is the Reviews of Moose. This is the box of chocolates by Boston Scally. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What do you guys personally think of this cap? Like I said, I'm a huge into pink guy. And what do they used to say? Real men wear pink. I guess I'm a real man. But anyway, Dan, I'm curious about what your thoughts are on this. Everybody have a wonderful day. And look forward to seeing if Dan responds to this. Dan, the matchman, I'm calling you out. And I'd like you to have a response, buddy. See you guys next time.